it's time for the test. To make sure everything's good.
Yeah. That fireball, the one we had? Oh, you know, the back of that show. Test not going in the right direction.
You don't feel any resistance or nothing like that in it.
Can you go and run some water?
Yeah. Oh, just in the sink?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's fine.
Okay. And just leave it running?
You just leave it running.
Okay, I'm gonna turn my fan on. Turn the water on and leave it on.
Or the tub, because the tub's lower.
Okay.
Better.
Okay, the tub. Full blast?
However you want to, just to fill it up, just so it can start filling up by itself.
Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so he passed the, I think he passed the test.
Yeah.
Because the water's running through
Yeah.
there. We don't see any leaks or anything. Okay. Hi, good morning.
I had to put 222s on it to make it work.
Oh, it probably.
Yeah, it was
Shifted too
yeah. I got it, she's got water in it already, in the tub, so it's not leaking or nothing.
Glad you had an extra one. I saw you had that bucket in the back of the truck.
Yeah,
In the van.
yeah.
Is it filling a little bit in the tub or no?
Yeah, he could turn it off already. It's
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so did it ever fill any back in the tub or no?
It won't go in there. It'll overflow here before the level's different.
Yeah.
Okay. So nothing backed up in the tub, right? Okay, you can cut it off.
We're good. There's no leaks on it.
There's no leaks on it. You don't see no leaks.
Oh,
How far did you come up with the
I
water?
got a test ball in the
I know, but with the water
Oh,
level?
I put it that way, towards the house.
Oh, you should put it
This
then
way,
you
so
put it
you
on.
can see. I got
Let's
you.
go ahead and change it around. I want it on this side.
I
I
got
don't want
you.
you.
Okay, wait a minute. We might have to, stay watching your phone because I might have to have you cut it on in again. All right, bye.
Yeah, we're just going to change the
Up
test
up.
ball to the other side.
So that we can see it on this side. It wasn't sounding like that. I don't remember it sounded like that before.
Well, it's never been filled like that before, unless it was.
Yeah.
That's when it was stopped up, and then they opened it. That's when it goes out. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the ball this way, so that way we can fill it up, and it'll come up the pipe, and you can see that there's water in there.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah. I just tested it towards the house.
Morning. You was it cold enough for you this morning?
Yeah.
I had already took my jacket off. I get hot quick.
Yeah, I thought that if I gave you some weight, it was gonna help. Having, but I don't know. Maybe it's.
Okay, you can turn it back on.
Turn the water back on. Okay.
Maybe it's something else.
You want to turn it on or no?
Every now and then
Yeah,
I
you can
feel
go
I get heated up. Just like my mom.
every now and then
Turn
I
the
feel
water
a
back
little
on.
bit sick, and stuff feeling cold. Y'all have cats?
Yeah.
Cat. Got those cats.
Oh yeah.
No.
I was like, I don't work yet.
That's what cat.
Let us know when it's on.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we should be able to see it from here.
Yeah. They get in the cars and we had lawn furniture. Man.
They was market.
Yeah, it was kind of silly.
That's not too bad, It's like
Can you turn it on?
You got it on? It's on?
I do.
Leave it on. See if this test is going to hold the water or what.
Y'all got a piece of 3/4 PVC pipe?
Yeah, I think so, bro.
I'll bring you bring down the
That's finished.
fins of the box.
It's above it, bro. So how you want it? Want it all the way to the top?
The other way to the top. I want to watch it. I want to watch it that it doesn't drop.
Yeah, we're waiting for it to rise all the way
Because
up
we
here.
want to make sure there's no problems in the building. You know, it could have. It seemed like a tractor grabbed it and pulled it with that hole that it had. So I want to make sure the tractor didn't break it over the foundation. You know what I'm saying? Where's the pieces that came out? See the hole in the pipe?
Yeah.
There's the tractor. Tractor pipe.
Yeah, 45.
I want to wait till the test comes through.
Tractor pipe. They pulled it and cracked the fitting. I was hoping there's no damage further in.
Further inside, yeah, I see what you're saying.
So I'm bringing it up to the top of the level of the clean out and I'm going to watch it for to see if it don't drop.
You still got it running, right?
Battery, that's why it takes it out. Once it gets to the floor level, it starts fast. I mean, then it starts moving really fast. So just bring it up to my level.
Huh?
Watch it, pretty fast, playground fast. Yeah, we want to watch it for about an hour, make sure, half hour at least. Make sure it doesn't drop. So it's not just a repair that we're testing, we're making sure
Yeah,
there's
there's no break, yeah.
no other problems.
So it's gonna get up higher? Does he keep the water running? Yeah, keep the water on.
We'll tell them when to stop.
He'll tell you when to stop. So I gotta watch it for like a half hour to an hour. Make sure that the balloon doesn't stop. Water in the tub. Let me cut it off.
Right. That's good. Hey, we need the 1/2 inch too. Also, there's a piece of 1/2 inch pipe. Bring it down also. Yeah, it's the 90 and 2 90s and a coupling, right? Is that piece long enough? Or is it short?
No, it's long, but this is
Okay,
half
now,
inch.
now that pipe, no, that's 3/4.
No, it's not.
It's just thin wall.
Yeah, this is
Oh, there's a 3/4 below it. I'm sorry.
because this half.
Okay, it's in 3/4 below it. So it's probably not going to be long enough. It's either below it or right next to it. There is a 3/4 pipe in there.
This one? Oh, yeah. I see it right here.
Okay, so yours is going to be too short. It's going to need the longer piece of 3/4.
Longer piece of 3/4?
Yeah.
You got one?
Let me see.
I thought you pulled that long one out.
Yeah,
That was a
yeah,
3/4?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, all right. Making sure. Scaring me because I don't have any. Yeah, we have to go back to this. Okay, so now we just watch it.
And just stay at that level
Yeah.
for like at least 30 minutes or something,
Yeah.
an hour or something.
Yeah, see the little hose is leaking. See the air bubbles.
Uh-huh.
So we gotta keep it pressured up. Otherwise, it'll let the test ball go. So we just gotta make sure it don't leak out. But yeah,
So if
Hey,
it was to
baby.
leak out, what would it leak to?
Yeah.
When the
If this test doesn't, if it wasn't successful, where would the water come out at the top or the bottom?
This way.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'm sorry, darling. The customer was talking.
Maybe they'll just grab lunch and come back. I don't know. So while the test is doing, he's going to repair the sprinkler system that he had to cut through to get to it. So. Put that pipe back together because the sprinkler head is over there in the bushes.
get the dirt out.
So far so good on the water test. It's holding. Some bubbles are coming up. He said that's from the ball at the end of the thing. So now we're going to refill this hole back with this sand so it'll allow movement for the pipes over time if the house keeps settling. So that's the purpose of that. Okay, so this is about the reason for the testing. Go ahead.
Okay, our water test is up to the top of this clean out. And everybody knows that water level's out, so the water test obviously is going to go all the way across. So most of this pipe under the building is also under test right now. And so that if you had any other breaks under the building, the water level would drop on that clean out. So right now it's holding. It's been holding for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna leave it on for another 20 minutes or so. Make sure it doesn't drop. So that's just a little something to look at to understand the water test.
Okay. All right. Thank you.